This is the Phantom. It's stacking a set of 7 storage bins with 1 recycling can on top of it. Team 2338, designers of the Phantom, were golden. But another member of their alliance had a problem. Argos 1756 had a broken elevator. It snapped. This put the Argos' robot at a disadvantage, and all they could do was move out of the way and let the other teams stack. Brandon Kreitzer and driver Patrick Ubelhor carefully maneuvered the Phantom back to a point where they could start a second stack of storage bins. But in a way, the competition had ended more than a month ago. The design of the Phantom was likely to be the main factor in the team's performance on Saturday. Team 2338 had put more than 4 hours each weekday and more than 8 hours on the weekends into the Phantom. 4-year veteran Kreitzer has been on the robotics team his entire high school career, and he and his team have put more than 200 hours each into the Phantom.
We have a drive base down there so then we can actually drive and maneuver around the field and around our opponents and all that. And then we have a intake, so it's 2 wheels that spin inwards, so then it actually sucks the tote into the robot. And that allows us to get quick acquisition of the totes so then we can actually begin stacking it. Then we have an elevator mechanism over here, and that actually begins to raise the totes, and then you suck the next one in underneath it, and then you grab it and raise it.
Brian Ricard's mentor for Team 2338 coached Kreitzer and his driver as the Phantom was on the field, but his influence had stretched back to the design phase as well.
We tried a new arm design that we thought was going to work and really didn't. Wasn't up to our standards and how robust a system we want to have for our robot, so we went back to something else that we knew worked, and that's worked really well to be able to get us to the position that we are at now.
As a result, the 2 arms became something that the team is proud of. Electrical engineer Evan Grove showed them off.
These are something really special. These big drop-down arms right here, essentially they just go down with the piston at the bottom. Then these hooks, I can't move them, but they extend out. And what that allows us to do is in this year's FRC game, there's cans on a step in the center of the field. And using these hooks, we can drive back, drop the hooks into the tops of those cans, and drag them both forward so we can get them very quickly and easily.
But 2338 lost the round when the Argos 1756 failed to do anything but move a couple feet to a score zone, resulting in a lower score. Soon after, team member Kevin Tran spoke to Argos. He came back with good news.
They're fixing it right now. They should be up and running in our next match, so there shouldn't be any issues.
Team 2338 is making it far. They've made it to the semifinals, and even though they're in the first alliance, they had a bit of hiccup at the beginning, but we're pretty sure that they're going to make it all the way to the final round.
2338's next match went well, and the next one, and then the final. They were awarded the competition's most prestigious award, the Chairman's Award. It says that 2338 is the team that best represents a model for the other teams to emulate and best embodies the purpose and goals of the robotics competition. As a result, they're moving forward to the World Championship in St. Louis in the U.S. state of Missouri later in April, alongside teams from as far away as China and Australia. Since the tournament and its teams are sponsored by industry giants like Microsoft, Google, Caterpillar, and Motorola, the competition is likely to be fierce. Reporting in Chicago, I'm Marcus DiPaola.